Early morning here, 6:30 in the morning, September 26th, I think. We have some elephants out there. Here they are. They're meandering down there. Crack of dawn. Going to be a little cloudy today. Maybe sun in the afternoon. But they're walking away from us now here. So that's a van similar to ours here. There we go. Morning elephants. Okay, natural habitat adventures. There's a cheetah up on that mound over there.
That's really nice cheetah.
I don't know if you can see him, but he's turning his head. That's Mr. Cheetah. It's nice that we could see him here in the morning.
You see those
It'll be a little far away on the video, but okay.
Almost solitary.
Really?
Yeah. The male is the one that can form the coalition, what we call coalition group for the males. And they are not territorial, so they go like home range.
Then he can turn his head almost all the way around there.
Look at how long his legs are.
Yeah, they do have long legs and slender body and long tail. That's why they can run. They can have a flexible board. And that tail, they drive the cheetah. They don't have rectangular claws. They do have blunt claw. Their claws not moved. It's not moved like a lion's claw or leopard claw. That's why the cheetah, they can't climb trees. They are not a good climber. Maybe only the vertical trees, but not really a steep one.
They are lean.
Mm-hmm.
They are, oh, sorry.
What?
Did I step in front of you? Look at how long that body
She's
is.
got a slight limp on that.
Yeah, a little something there, like they got a thorn or something in there maybe.
I'm looking for puppies.
Timing out.
No, I can see it. I can see around your car. Yeah, that is fascinating. Yeah. It's got to be stressful because they just spent all that energy chasing something, and then they're nervous when they eat. They don't relax.
Yeah, they don't relax eating.
I got him. Yeah, that's what I saw.
That's the one,
There's a turtle right there. You can see him. It's still chilly in the morning, so he's not moving. He's all curled up, trying to keep warm. I don't blame him. Okay.
Yes, I see him. He is on, there's a
down
brown patch. Okay, so you're looking.
the same distance from these tall
Beautiful.
grasses here. These tall grasses.
So
Don't look
Ken, the
far
brown
away.
patch,
Oh, I got
you
it.
see?
Yeah, yeah. No,
He's
I just
beautiful.
found it.
He's in that
He's a
brown
If you
patch.
stand over it, just have a. Enjoy him. It's looking like a fool with a red head a little bit, maybe.
Okay. Stand on the seat.
You got a
I can see him all across the road. Yeah, big line of them.
the line all the way down.
All right, they all go back there. Going down to the water hole.
namuita hata idiki.
Uko hapo au ndo? In the back. Yeah, I see him limping. Interesting.
He says broken legs. He
Haina shida,
broke
front
yesterday.
probably got
Well,
probably got
watching
tumeshakuelewa.
Bob, he's definitely got a hurt leg. Yep.
They don't see very far away, but they can smell very good. They are really old males there.
Glad you took a shower this morning, Ed.
Yeah, but he
Okay.
said Ed must have taken a cold.
So yesterday you told us that the young ones, it's smooth, and I can pick that out. The
Yeah,
old,
they are more brown.
right, and then the females have the hair.
Of course,
Yeah, I see them.
the horn of the female, it's not totally. It's like where the corn coming up.
Yeah, I
There
see
is like
that.
hair.
Yeah, I
But
see
for
one
the
right.
male, you can really see.
Well, we're currently having a little breakfast snack here. You can see we've got our table set up in back of me here. And if I turn around here, you're going to see the vans, our vans right here, our bush vans that take us everywhere that we want to go. But had tea and snacks, and for those that like breakfast, hard-boiled eggs and some bacon that they brought in, a few other things. But still, it's only 20 after 10. We're still going to have lunch out here in the bush also. And saw a cheetah and lots of animals and everything this morning. So it actually turned out really, really good here. Sun's out now, so it's getting a lot warmer. I may have to take the vest off here, but sounds good. And one-man travel. All right.
In Usa River here, and our drive yesterday took us around Arusha. We came down this road to a place called Makoyuni, which is where we use the bathroom, and then we cut through this wildlife management here, which is the Lolkisale game controlled area, and we've gone into Tarangire National Park.
Okay.
So that's where we're sort of starting off. And so if I bring us to Tarangire now, Tarangire is quite a big, decent sized park actually. So we arrived here. I just wanted to see where it says the size. 2,579 square kilometers. So it's almost twice the size of the Masai Mara for those of you who've been there. It's quite substantial. So we came in through Boundary Hill, and the camp that we're staying at is actually, it's here, it's listed as Mbuni Special Campsite. So it's on the edge of this Salale swamp. So this is a satellite map. So we've basically have now travelled in the park to here. That's all we've done today.
Christmas.
So it's a tiny little distance there. So the main sort of features here is where we came through this wildlife management area. All of the floodplains here drain down into this swamp, which we're now down at the southern end of. What happens is the land carries on draining down all the way into this other big swamp, and then from that rises the Tarangire River, that comes back around and ends up here in Lake Burungi. So in the dry season, the swamp here, which you can see from the satellite image, is not a lake, as it is now, and the river along here are really the main water sources in the whole area. So our plan for today is to, because we've reached down to the bottom end of the swamp, we're actually on a little lugger around here, is we're going to cut across to the other side, and then we'll drive our way up along the side of the swamp here, just waiting for elephants, buffaloes, other animals that are coming off this hillside, which is the ridge over there behind us. They'll start coming down to drink, and there's going to be some fantastic birding along there. At the other end of that road is what the Salale picnic site, where there's a proper toilet. and we will pop in there so everybody can make use of it and so the rest. And then what we'll do is we'll nip over the hill, and then we'll spend a little bit of time along the Tarangire River in this area, where again more elephants will be coming down, and we may just find ourselves driving up a little bit along one side or the other side of the river, just so we can have a look, and then we'll have our lunch somewhere along the river as well, before heading back over to camp in the afternoon. So you see, we'll have only covered a very small area in the middle of the park here. Now, you're asking about, are there other camps and lodges? You can
Looks like here he is.
From lily, water lily
Oh yeah,
flower.
those are pretty.
Oh yeah,
The brown birds, the jacana, right?
yeah, African jacana.
One of those black structures that you're talking about.
I want to see the like this,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So that's why it's called open build stock.
There are lots of zebras here down by the water. Lots of them.
I was a black heron. No, not them. The black heron is the one. There's one is called black heron, but it's not there. It's the one they can make the shady to the water. So in order to make the fish think it's now it's night time.
Oh, okay.
Got the elephants up there in the water.
That's a
There they
little
are.
tiny baby.
Mm-hmm. Tiny
Little
baby.
tiny baby on the
Oh
way.
yes, it really
Very
looks. You
small.
can't really see the pink color.
Look at how cute. Oh,
They're all leaving now. The mud truck saying the smallest one.
look at look at that, so cute.
Snorkeling.
Oh, it's almost made.
The mother's going to stop fooling around. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I think it's swimming. The baby is swimming, that one. So the big one now is laying down now. Non-swimming. That's deep water.
Mm-hmm.
made it.
out. Coming out.
The young one is still suffering or swimming. Ni huko huko ulipokuwa umeenda au ni upande wa huku juu? That's when he looks pregnant. Is this female of the impala here?
Mm-hmm.
This one here in front of us, big one, pregnant one.
Yeah.
You can really tell. I saw the movement of the stomach. It's really tight. Look, the skin is really tight.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
He's obscured. You're
He's
looking at that.
oh, we're
I'm
looking
looking
at
at
the
that now.
branch.
There you go.
There he goes.
It's a pretty good sized bird.
Yeah, long crested
Beautiful.
eagle.
Here comes the mongoose.
That was true story. And then he jumped. He went.
There's a monkey right up there in the tree. He's a little hard to see, but he's like right there. He's moving down the tree. He's going to come over for a visit. He's going to come see Uncle Ed. He's definitely showing his wares there. He's walking on the ground. He's next to the bird. Yep, he's hopping away now. Going off to who knows where. There's a lion right there.
Now she turns her head.
Guys. Look at those paws. Look at that belly. It's draped over that. That is
That's right.
amazing.
Looks like me.
Oh my gosh, that's it right there.
Oh my gosh, that's cute.
Yeah, right here.
That's for everybody.
There's the lion right there.
The female.
Taking a snooze
I like
after
that
just eating.
Good.
There it
You
is.
see how wide
We're
she's
only
gone up
feet
this tree?
away from her.
There's a nice gentle slant.
And we're right here.
And
It's
easy.
about
This would not be a tree that
4:45
a leopard
in
would
the
take its tail up
afternoon.
into because a lion would be able to follow.
Oh, I get it.
There you go.